If you're looking for a fast and efficient way to handle corporate video production, Descript is a game changer. This software has revolutionized video editing by allowing you to edit video just like a text document. It's simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough for professionals. Whether you're new to Descript or just looking for a better way to speed up your production process, I'll show you how to use Descript for corporate video production in this quick guide. Now, before we dive in, you can actually start using Descript completely free with an exclusive bonus by clicking the first link in the description below. Stick around because I'll show you some tricks that can make your workflow even smoother, and you'll want to stick till the end. First, when you open Descript, you'll be welcomed by a clean, intuitive interface. You can start by uploading your video or audio files directly into the project. Once uploaded, Descript's AI automatically transcribes your media into text. This transcription is your video script, and it's where the magic happens. If you're familiar with editing text, you'll be right at home here. Editing video in Descript is as simple as editing a Word document. You can cut, paste, or delete text, and the software will automatically adjust the corresponding video and audio clips. For corporate video production, this feature can save you a ton of time, especially if you need to clean up long recordings, remove filler words, or make small cuts. Say goodbye to complicated timelines and guesswork. If you need to remove filler words like and or any pauses in your video, Descript does that automatically. This tool analyzes your audio and video, allowing you to clean up your recordings with one click, leaving you with a professional-looking video without spending hours editing. Now let's talk about the multi-clip workflow. Descript allows you to break your video into multiple clips and organize them based on your needs. This feature is perfect for corporate video production, where you may need different sections for different teams or purposes. You can easily trim your video down into bite-sized pieces that are ready to share with the team or upload directly to your platform of choice. One of the most powerful features of Descript is its screen recording and video capture. You can record high-quality screen recordings, perfect for explaining software, tutorials, or presenting data. This is ideal for creating corporate training videos or even internal presentations. You can also add your webcam feed, and Descript will sync everything in one seamless video. Descript also supports collaboration, so if you're working with a team on a corporate video production, multiple people can work on the same project. You can leave comments, make edits, and track changes all in real time. This makes it an excellent tool for corporate teams working on video content together. If you need to add captions or subtitles to your corporate video, Descript makes this easy too. The auto-generated captions are highly accurate, and you can make manual adjustments as needed. Having captions is crucial for accessibility and engagement, especially in a corporate setting where you might be distributing the video across multiple platforms. At the end of the day, Descript is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone working in corporate video production. Whether you're making internal training videos, marketing content, or corporate presentations, Descript simplifies the entire process. And the best part is, you can get started today for free with our exclusive bonus by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the link below to get your extended free trial, and happy editing.